What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey fucking Pipes. It's Wednesday, Hump Day, the 3rd of September, 2025, and that's a Village of Lynbrook Popo car. Wednesday, Hump Day, September 3rd, 2025. Just left the office. 7:20 here in the morning in the great communist state of New York. I am heading to Lindenhurst. Lindenhurst is about, I think it's about an hour drive. Let's see. Hold on. Let's see. What are you doing? It's a green light, fuckface. Oh, God, people are retarded, I swear. Yeah, 44 minutes. Someone reached out to me last week, a YouTube subscriber. Saw that we do philanthropy work coast to coast, and he's got his parents, elderly parents, fixed budget, very limited funds, and the laundry situation is becoming tough. You know, they can't go down the basement stairs, and laundry's not getting done. And he's like, Mikey, if you can help me, subsidize the cost a little bit. I don't know what it's going to cost to do, but if you wouldn't mind coming out here and give me an estimate what this is going to take, maybe we can get it done, maybe we can't. But nonetheless, we're heading out there this morning with every intention to possibly get this job done. I don't know what's going to be involved. I know what's involved in moving or setting up a wash machine box and then a dryer vent. I know what's involved in that. We need waste, vent, water, right? That's for the wash machine. And then we need dryer venting, exhaust. So DWV, domestic water, and dryer venting. We'll see. So here's the email. All right, he's a full-time caretaker for his mother who's living with Huntington's disease and dementia. Father passed away, and looks like they need a helping hand. So if we can relocate the washer and dryer to the main floor closet, right above the unfinished basement area, a little more independence for the mom. So he can't afford the renovation right now between medical bills, mortgage obligations, and aid costs. So, and he goes, I've seen your philanthropy work, reaching out to people, even partial assistance with plumbing, carpentry. So we're going to see. I don't know what's involved here, what's going on. But I really do believe that God will provide. Heading out to this job, to take a look at this job in Lindenhurst. On the way back, we're stopping in Massapequa. We have another YouTube subscriber. This one wants to put in a wall-hung combi. He goes, Mikey, if you're in the area, I'd love to get an estimate. I want to get this done as soon as possible. So you never know. You really never know. We could grab this philanthropy job and then get the boiler. That would be pretty epic, and a perfect example that God will provide. It's really amazing. It's epic. Last week on Thursday, just an update for you guys who are quite religious in watching my videos. Last week Thursday, the HVAC contractor in Virginia near Spotsylvania, whatever it's called, Spotsville. You got that job done where we installed for free. Oh, come on, man. What is this? Why are you like boxing me in here? This guy should not be in this lane. Man, look at this. Come on. I'm boxed in here. I really am. Let's see if I could maneuver my way out of here right about now. Bingo. This guy. Fucking motherfucker. Get the fuck out of the way, man. Left lane driving like a bitch. You know what I mean? Anyway. They got the job done. Family's very happy. Now, I did video chat them. It's crazy. I video chatted the contractor while he was finishing up, and I video chatted the wife, the mom, the next day. And when I video chatted, I recorded, I did a screen recording on my iPhone, but it didn't record any of the audio. Unbelievable. I wanted to share that with you, but we got it done. It's nice to give back. And as just, I didn't really do anything except facilitated the connection between the family in need, the contractor who was going to help them out, and the manufacturer. I just acted as a middleman and facilitated the connection between all three parties, and I'm quite happy that we got this done for them. Less than 2 weeks after she reached out to me, this family in a bind, can't afford a new system, getting quotes that are like, well, not in her price range, and doesn't got the credit to pay it over time, but we got it done. And I'd like to give a huge shout out to the folks over at ACIQ for donating the equipment. That was really, really, really nice. So I want to give a huge shout out to Donnie and his crew. Donnie is the owner of Environmental Control Heating and Air. They're in Stafford, Virginia. Amazing people. Environmental Control Heating and Air. Awesome guys that they were able to help us out and help this family out in need. And it just feels awesome. It really does. So I check out this job in Lindenhurst. Should be pretty straightforward. We have a 4-inch horizontal waistline that is unsupported, by the way. That is in PVC. We'll support that. Then cut in a 4x2 Y. Picking up the waist, go up across. Not too shabby. Waters, Dute and Pex. They're nearby as well. Venting, that's going to be a little bit of a trick. But venting, not too bad for the dryer. So I'm going to send him the application. Look over that, and if they qualify and they get approved by my selection committee and approval committee, we'll get that job done. And I think we'll get it done. But what's amazing is that I left that job, go to my next estimate in Massapequa. The guy has a Series 2 Burnham, two zone valve boiler, a 40-gallon A.O. Smith water heater. I go, let's take this out. Let's put in what you want. Like, me, what I want. I was like, no. I was like, let's put a tankless combi in. I was like, okay, no problem. I get the job. Get a deposit. Doing it on Tuesday. How crazy is it that God provides? You can't make this shit up, folks. I'm doing the job with no expectation of getting anything in return in Lindenhurst, and I'll send John there, with Derek, maybe next week, and get it done. As long as they meet the criteria to get approved, make sure the house is not in foreclosure or whatever. But yeah, we'll see. It's good stuff. Really, really good stuff. And to get the job in Massapequa was unbelievable. Really unbelievable. I'm blown away. I really am. It's amazing. It really is. All right, guys. Happy Hump Day. I'll catch you in the next one. Be well. God bless. Stay safe.